You know, it's annoying. Those days when I was growing up, music made sense. They go sing songs, you're able to sweet. You hear songs like, if you marry taxi driver. If you marry taxi driver. Oh, you hear songs, if begin to misbehave, they will play songs like, oh, but I'm here, don't go, can't go back away me. Sorry, how does a young man wake up in the morning, walk into the studio, and you begin to hear something like this? Iyeme, oh mama, Iyeme. They say they want to. Lord, blah blah blah. For my own time. In the olden days, it don't take. Oh yeah, particularly we dey Nigerian dance, so they call them waka like, sing like, talk like, walk like. So you people singing it, what does it mean? What is the meaning of Kolongo? Somebody should wake up and tell me because I'm trying the best. Olamide is my guy, I know him from way back. And he come and say, sing one song when I know him. Makole Marale. How can you call him before you rally? It simply means I go build house, come buy land. How can you build house before you buy land? Are you not supposed to buy land before you build house? I mean, you won't build the house with this carrier for hand, they go find land. What is wrong with all these people? Eh? No more first make this flavor don't sing. Oh, you not too. Baby, and the cash go, and the idiots know wear clothes. I don't know what get you. Nigerian artists will come and they will tell you that with a quarrel, we know they talk. If this Abdul Karim and rugged man, they quarrel, go hear something like this one, unrespected collabo. Don't be crying if me and my guy rap for the same song. Fuck that shit! Or you want people to sing the quarrel. Tupac and Biggie, one they stay East Coast, the other one they stay West. Then the quarrel, he reached, so then the two of them take themselves life. But how many of you knew that the song between Nice and Two-Face, how many of you know that quarrel? That song, Street Credibility. Did you take time to listen to that song? Nice and Two-Face. Two, Baba. Two. Then they inside studio. Nice come begin tell Two-Face. And then again, charge so hard, make you go insane. I be the chosen one. I remain no barra of Nigeria. My brain keep working all day. Like say I know be Monday. Now what did he talk when first Two-Face? He say, Oba Ulepe Meji laughing, Kamaloji Soro. That is two king cannot stay in the palace. To make everything worse, Nice contact Two-Face. Categorically, I'm the best mentally. No get saying I'm the cutest. Don't doubt me, I will bring hope. Credible, remarkable, unbeatable, palatable. And you know that Two-Face is a very humble person. Don't see the humility where Two-Face is around. As I come here before you, I will talk about Sasia. I know we use any sugar. Tell me your manner, and I know you understand that when I see you with the stress up, I know they use program. Always peacefully do it very. Always try to border. He's Two-Face and guarantee to always to make Nice understand, say him na Kiki, come tell him the last word. I know it sounds like bragging, but it's true that I'm talking. Don't be correction with that. And a perfect correct. But yet they're fishing themselves. It's very annoying. I still love the Hausa people when they won't sing. They don't make a DJ band for what? Only Hausa man don't sing with the guitar. You go to hear the video song. But check out the Igbo people. My father, is it a crime to go to an Igbo man's shop and buy something original? You go buy TV, they go write on top Samsung, rich house, come out and go get a blogger. The TV go on, you go see Sayo. Now only Igbo men, they say Yamaha generator, they get Yamaha M for the end, Yamaha. You go call out generator, they use like your generator, go to jump. What's strong. And so they make one pastor go buy blue film. The guy they were going to go sing and they sing song. You are awesome in this place, mighty God. The thing touched the guy and I said, time, let worship. Time. My people need to see how they worship God. Now you take a hammer boy, young one. No, say they don't come out the city where they cut on cool film. The man said, free church back, you know, check out. On Sunday night, you people need to learn how to worship. You need to know how to worship God. I was going the other day in Alabama, and I saw where everybody are worshiping. I got to see it so that two people will see it. I said, but okay, to play it. I said, play, and one black guy hold one girl for that. They give her, give it to me. I said, they got to him, and that pastor now usher for another church. In front of me. These are some of the reasons why you don't get to see karaoke, Nigerian song in karaoke. Because they have to spare. Or you song they will sing easy. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. I see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted. My hands are open wide. Cause you know just what to say. And you know just what to do. But I want to tell you so much. I love you. You see what I mean? Now spare this Nigerian song, I dare you. Baby, baby, why I go? All the boys don't go low. And they can't come. She can't get your waka, baby. Wuru, baby. Sango, baby. I go tell my mama. I go tell my papa. Baby, Sawale. Okay, hold on. If verse 1 is it to spell, spell verse 2. Borokoto. Bakoloba. Ajayi papa. Kuwa baby. Asikurebe. Ashawo.